Brought to you by the High Council of the Order of the Crystal Keys and myself, Messenger Christopher, Alpha Omega, Spirit World X, the Mahdi. Let's do it. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. You know, for so long I have had the worst scales over my eyes. I walk through this life with nothing in my heart but self-loathing and major despise for not being able to understand who I was and where I was and what the hell was I, what was I even put here on this earth for? Growing up with insecurities, trying to find my way in, high school with the insecurity and the selfish friends and the desperation where nobody on the goddamn cafeteria would lend me any food. Sometimes I didn't have no money for milk. The shit got bad. Ultimately, it led me to the, that American dream theory. It says, hey man, you could actually, you can find success by, paying paradise. That's what you gotta do to get it. So I said, fuck it, I'm gonna do it. And I joined leagues with a group of people that, they had nothing on their mind but textiles, and accumulation of material things that took me nowhere. I helped in the development process of building many buildings throughout America. I'm highly skilled. And I know you just want me to get to the song, but I can't because I went so wrong. Suicide was ultimately the only thing that would make me feel better. So one day I looked up into this sky that you're looking at right now, and I found the Guardians. When problems come, then they go as quick as they can. And even when my problems worsened, you turned it into gain. And through it all, you've always been there, from somewhere way over there. Way over there. I waited long to see my sunrise. I waited long to see it rise. You came along and touched my sorrow and made me realize from somewhere way over there. Way over there. Oh, the guardians, there to protect you. Said I know what it is. The guardians, guardians, guardians. Ooh, oh, the guardians. Said I know what it is. The guardians. Said I know what it is. Just wanted to drop that one on you folks. You know I'm not a good singer. I'm a great singer.